In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unprotect a sheet. If you've ever tried to edit a cell and seen a message telling you it's protected, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to lift that restriction so you can make changes again. We'll keep it simple, clear, and safe for your data. Start by opening your spreadsheet and heading to the top menu bar. Click on Data, then choose Protected Sheets and Ranges. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen. That panel lists every protection rule that's been set up in the file, whether it's for an entire sheet or just a specific range of cells. If you don't see this option or it appears grayed out, you likely don't have permission to change protections in this file. In that case, you'll need to ask the file owner or an editor with the right access to make the change for you. In the side panel, look through the list and click on the specific range or sheet you want to unlock. You'll usually see a description that someone provided when the protection was created, along with details like the sheet name and the cell range. When you select one, the sheet typically highlights that area so you can confirm you are working with the correct cells. Take a moment to double-check that it's the exact range or sheet you intend to unprotect, especially if there are multiple protections with similar names. Once you've selected the correct protected item, remove the protection by clicking the delete or trash icon next to its description in the panel. You may be asked to confirm that you want to remove the protection. Go ahead and confirm. This action deletes the protection rule only. It does not delete any of your data or formatting. Your cells, formulas, and content remain intact, only the editing restriction is lifted. After you remove the protection, you can immediately edit those cells or that sheet. If you are collaborating with others, it's a good idea to let your team know that the protection has been removed, so they're aware the area is now editable. If you have multiple protected ranges you want to unlock, just repeat the same process for each one from the list in the side panel. That's all there is to it. Open Protected Sheets and Ranges from the Data menu. Select the protected item, and click the delete or trash icon to remove the rule. You are now ready to make your edits smoothly and confidently. Thanks for watching.